Hey, this is Robert at Guzzi Fabrication. Hey, today I want to show you some tools that we use a lot in the shop. But first, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe and like button. All right, let's go. Fireball brand squares. Now, these come in different sizes and a couple of different shapes. And I like to think of them as portable fixtures. And they also come with tabs, two different versions. One is aluminum and the other steel. And there's the steel one. And it comes with a couple different types of hardware. Personally, I like the larger with the knurls. And here's what they do and where they go. On the squares, they have mounting bosses that are tapped. And these hardware secure the tabs just like so, and they go just like that. Now what that does, that puts all of the material on the same plane so we can keep everything nice and square. Personally, I prefer the steel tabs over the aluminum because you do get some flexation with the aluminum. Yeah, I don't really care for that. Okay, let's get something fixtured up and show you what we're talking about. Okay, now if you're building a frame or a box, set your stock in there, you have 4 of these squares, now you have a perfect 90. And it's all on the same plane. I mean, it's really, really efficient to use these. And the configurations that you can use these squares to perform multiple different joint fit up is really like limitless. Now there's one configuration. And set a couple of the bigger ones side by side, clamp them together. Say we were doing some kind of fixture like that, mounting a smaller square stock to a larger, round. So we're doing some flat plate. Now you can put the squares in line, or basically it's the same thing as a fixture table, but it's movable and portable, if that makes any sense. And we flip these over. Say we had a run of flat stock here, or flat plate, but we can put 2 or 3 sets of these squares in line, clamp them into place, the stock, start welding, take off tacking and welding. Makes life so much easier, gets the job out the door so much quicker. And here's another configuration. Say you had something on the table that was extending onto the floor, kind of difficult to hold into place. Well, you can move the square, clamp it to the table, then set your stock in, clamp your stock, like so. Now you're ready to weld. Perfect 90. I mean, that's as fast as you get when fixturing stuff up. And here's another look at them. Now this happens to be the square type. It has its uses. And you'll notice it's threaded on both sides for the tab. Then we have a little bit larger. This is the small set. And like I mentioned, it does come in steel and aluminum. These are the aluminum. And then the large. And depending on the application, you can choose steel or aluminum. Yeah, the steel large set's pretty heavy. But if you're doing really large steel work, yeah, you might want that over the aluminum. Hey, and thanks to all our subscribers, followers, and watchers. And as always, thanks for watching.